Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 1st January 2026. India is shifting to a pragmatic, interest-based foreign policy for 2026, moving away from rigid alliances. This new global playbook prioritizes economic resilience through diversified trade, energy security via Russian oil purchases, and cautious engagement with China. The strategy aims for flexibility and autonomy, balancing partnerships with national interests in a multipolar world. Maruti Suzuki achieved its highest ever vehicle exports in 2025. Exporting 3.95 lakh units and marking a 21% growth. This accomplishment solidifies its position as India's top passenger vehicle exporter for the fifth consecutive year. The company also commenced exports of Suzuki's first battery electric vehicle, the VITARA, to 29 countries. Corporate India is likely to hire more in the year ahead compared with 2025. Staffing services firm TeamLease predicts Indian companies to add 10 to 12 million jobs in calendar 2026 compared with 8 to 10 million in 2025. HR executives at companies such as EY, Godrej Consumer Products, Diageo, Tata Motors and Motilal Oswal Financial Services said they are stepping up recruitment with a focus on diversity and campus hiring. For years, the global weight loss miracle has been a luxury reserved for India's ultra-wealthy. With innovative brands like semaglutide sold globally as Ozempic and tirzepatide costing between Rs 8,000 to 10,000 per month, these cutting-edge obesity drugs have remained out of reach for the masses. A revolution in India's weight loss market is coming. As semaglutide's patent ends in March 2026, Sun Pharma, Lupin, Torrent and Intas are racing to capture a Rs 10,000 crore obesity drug boom with prices set to fall by half. Merger and acquisition activity in the cement sector is likely to remain muted through at least the first half of 2026, as the country's largest producers prioritize integration of earlier acquisitions over fresh deal-making. After an intense 2-year period of consolidation led by Adani Group's cement arm and market leader Ultratech Cement, calendar 2025 saw a sharp slowdown in transaction activity. Both major groups are now focused on absorbing assets acquired over the past few years into their operating structures, a process that is expected to take time and management bandwidth. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs or MCA, via its circular dated October 17, 2025, had earlier granted a one-time relaxation to companies for filing financial statements Form AOC4, AOC4 XBRL, AOC4 CFS and annual returns Form MGT7, MGT7A for the financial year 2024-25 without payment of additional fees up to December 31, 2025. The MCA has now extended this relaxation by one additional month to 31st January 2026. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.